Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I will discuss in the detail what is the data vault model, and this is the very most useful model into the when you have the requirement to track the historical data into the data warehouse solution. So if you attend any interview related to data engineering or engineering lead or data architect or the data model profile, you definitely get what basically we have the data vault model. And I can see there are very less number of video available into the YouTube to discuss the data vault model. So I will give you the complete idea to help you to crack the interview. So basically data vault model is we have this called the concept or the method to implement the data warehouse solution. So data vault model, we have the hub, link, satellite. So other than data vault model, normally in the organization also follow the dimensional modeling, where we have the used for the star schema, the Snowflake schema, the Glacier schema. So basically the table are stored in the form of the fact table and the dimensional table. So might be you aware of that, what is the fact table, what is the dimensional table. But what we have the limitation is there. If you want to record all the historical data, it's very difficult to handle into the dimensional modeling, because every table for every column or every attribute you need to be implement the SCD type. And if you implement the SCD type, the volume in the table will be very high, and it will be very bad performance in terms of the data querying. So to not follow the that dimensional modeling, the organization is basically follow the data vault model. And top of the data vault model, the company is also applying the dimensional modeling, like data consuming from the data vault model data warehouse. So basically the first table, which is the include the hub. Hub is the basically we have the all the business key like customer ID, order ID, product ID, all these things we have. Second one is the link table. Link is basically link of the hub of the different table. For example, customer and the order are linked into the link table. And satellite is basically used to store the all the attribute. Okay, attribute in the sense in the data modeling terminology we call the attribute, but if you talk about the database language, you call the column. Like descriptive column will be there, like for example product name, location, customer name, customer mobile, customer address, all these things we need to be stored into the satellite. Okay, so what is the major advantage? Because the every table we have the different hub, link, satellite. So when we have the any type of the historical record we required, so basically that we can use the concept of this data vault model, and we can design the data solution into the different table, hub, link, satellite. And top of the data vault data warehouse solution, we can create the data warehouse solution by using the star schema or by using the Snowflake schema. So data consumer can directly consume the data, and in organization wise they can easily way to maintain the data. And whenever we record any more historical record, like more than 7 year record, 10 years record, we can pull the data from the data vault data warehouse to the data solution, which is have recent data like last 2 to 3 years data. So that is the major concept. We have data vault model, and hope you have understanding the complete detail. If you have any question or doubt, you can directly ask into the video comment. I am definitely will help to you. Thank you so much.